So today, at the request of a Patreon backer, we're going to turn the clocks back to 2017 and talk about how I built a Lannister Chest Armor. There's a lot of mystery because a good chunk of it was 3D printed, but a lot of it was merged and melded into leatherwork and using a material called Sintra, which is a thermoplastic not unlike Warbler. So today, we're going to talk about that. I just want to give a special thanks and shout out to IC3D Printers for sponsoring this build about 2 years ago in 2017. They helped provide the ABS filament that was needed to make this build possible. So huge shout out and thanks to them. Now, one last note before we get into it is I tried to get as much of the footage that I had, but unfortunately I was missing a few things, either because it was corrupted or lost to time, or I just neglected to actually take video of it. So it's going to be a mix of video and slideshows with text captions to explain what was going on. It covers most of the major steps. Granted, I glossed over a lot of the mistakes I made and the dead ends, which I do not want you repeating. So I hope this is good. I hope it's clear and understandable. And if not, feel free to comment below if you have any questions or you want to clarify how I did something. My name's Yasu. I run a little 3D print prop shop called Hero Creations, where most of my work is driven by technology. So let's get into it. Lannister Chest Armor. I'm going to be following up and doing tutorials on how I designed and 3D printed the pauldrons, the neck guard, and the leg pieces, all the various other parts of that build. So stay tuned, that should be coming up in the next couple weeks. If you like this video, feel free to smash that like button. If you want to see more of these sorts of videos, you should totally hit the subscribe button and mash that notification bell. Anyways, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video.